Okay.
I got my new bag. Now, Mama got my bag. Now, I got my bag because Mama got it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an Hermes unboxing. Yes, it's a little bit of a small haul, but there is going to be a bag unboxing today. If you are new to my channel and you do love luxury and Hermes and fashion and all that jazz, then I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below if you aren't already subscribed, and hit that bell as well so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is twice a week on a Wednesday and on a weekend. So let's dive right into this video because it is actually getting quite late at night. It is almost bedtime. I think my kids should probably both be in bed by now, but we're going to film this unboxing. Excuse my makeup if it looks like it's breaking down. It is because it has been a long day. Okay, let's start off with the small items that I picked up. These are all from my local Hermes boutique, and I just have a few small items. So we're going to start off with this one, and I am actually really excited about this, particularly because of the color. I'm just so in love with this color. Like, I don't know if it's because I had a baby and that's why I'm loving this color, but yeah, I'm just loving it. Loving it. And I think it's going to speak for itself when I open it up. Especially if you already follow my channel, you would know that I did give birth to a baby boy just over a few months ago. So yes, I picked up a beautiful blue broom Bastia. This is in Epsom leather. I actually much prefer Epsom for SLGs. I actually think that because it's a single lined item, you look at this, it's single line, it's a piece of leather. I find that Epsom is actually fantastic on SLGs. I feel like it's really hard wearing and very robust. So I highly recommend Epsom for SLGs. And I actually think that the color blue broom has the perfect kind of saturation on Epsom. And the retail price on this is a 335 Australian dollars. Fairly reasonable, I would say. You can use it as a coin purse, which is the intention, but I actually plan to use this as like a key pouch. But yeah, that's what I'm planning to use it as. Otherwise, I'll just use it as a mini catch-all, but really I just wanted this blue broom color, just in case I cannot get a bag in blue broom. Just in case, I just wanted to make sure I at least had one item that was in that beautiful blue color. And then the next item is Twillies. Yes, Twillies. I love Twillies. I love them to accessorize my handbag, but I also, most importantly, love using them to actually protect the handles of my handbags. It's just, you know, it's just one less thing that you have to worry about. Like, I don't baby my bags by any means, but by having the Twillies on the handle, I feel as though it just alleviates that kind of concern when it comes to like having, you know, I have kids, so obviously my hands, you know, cleaning their face, you know, all those sorts of things, you know, so I just feel like covering the handles with Twillies just does make it a little bit easier for me, especially on like hand carry bags like the Birkin. But I did actually pick up matching Twillies, and this is actually going to be for my Believe, but of course I can use it on my Birkin. These are called the Malion Twillies. The color is fuchsia violet jaune, so jaune like the yellow. I will put the item code on the screen for you guys in case you're interested, but these are actually old season. They are not current season for Twillies, so they might be a little bit harder to sort of get. Now I'm just going to get my Believe. So I wanted these in matching for the Believe, but I wanted them in purple because I do love the color purple. I'm a huge fan of the color purple, and you know, I would love an anemone purple Kelly or something like that. But I figure, look, you know, you can't always get exactly what you want when it comes to Hermes, and really in hindsight I really actually would love a blue broom bag or a Vert Cricket, Birkin or Kelly. So I kind of felt like, you know what, if I'm wanting a bit of purple, perhaps I should just go ahead and get a Twilly. And I feel like this is quite close to anemone anyway. So yeah, that's how it will look on the Believe. I think it's going to offer a really nice sort of contrast to the bag. Like a nice pop of color, but not being, I don't know, I feel like it's just contrasts really nicely, you know, not like too in your face kind of pop of color. It's just a nice sort of beautiful purpley pop of color. So yeah, that is the Twilly pair that is for my Believe 27 in Cray. And that is it for the little items. Now I do have a bag unboxing. Yes, I do. I have a bag unboxing. Also, the Twilly retail price is $290 each, but Hermes Twillys are super duper robust. They, I have like experienced the Dior Twilly, I've experienced the Chanel Twilly, and these, hands down, I highly recommend. They are much more durable. The silk feels a lot more thicker. It's like they have a higher thread count with their silk, and they're just so much more robust. I often have like nicks in my nails, like, you know, broken nails and stuff like that, obviously because I have kids. You know, sometimes I have dry skin, cracked skin, and I never get any peeling on these Twillys at all. Like, it is so rare to ever get some kind of like pulled thread whatsoever. Yeah, so these I highly recommend, but I know Chanel, Dior, they are much more fragile, easier to kind of get pulls on. Hermes Twillys are the bomb. Anyone who is familiar with Hermes might already kind of know the shape of this box and might possibly be able to guess what is in there, especially because I've told you guys that it is a bag. So you know what, you are welcome to pause this video if you want to have a guess exactly what is in this box. You are welcome to, but otherwise I'm going to go right ahead and unbox it so we don't make this too long of a video, because yes, it is late. Opening it up, I am really happy to actually have this bag. I wanted this for a while, had it before in a different, kind of a different version, and I said that I did want to add it back, and this was actually on my wish list. Yes, I did put that I wanted this bag on my wish list. So you know what, I'm actually really happy, because even though I haven't got my dream Hermes bag like the Birkin Kelly Constance, I got the Believe 27 for my birthday, and that was on my wish list, so a big tick right here. And now I got this bag, which is on my wish list too. So, you know, I feel like I'm feeling pretty good. It is harder to find. This color actually was released, I can't remember the exact year it came out, but I believe it was around about, say, 2015 or something, or maybe 2013 or something like that, and now it has come back. So yes, this color is back, and it might be perhaps because it's spring summer 2020, and yeah, anyway, here it is. So I got a Picotin. This is the Picotin 18, so this is the size I wanted, either the 18 or the 22, but this is in the color Blue Pale. So let me just bring this up. This is actually in gold hardware too. I was amazed when I said, is it in gold hardware? My essay is like, yes, and I was thrilled, because I knew that I wanted the Picotin lock in gold. I knew that I wanted a gold hardware Picotin lock. I pretty much just knew that I wanted gold hardware. Here is the Blue Broom Bastia, and this is Blue Pale. So as you can see, similar somewhat, but this is much more of a true baby blue, like a very, very light sky blue. It's a baby blue, okay? I'm not going to try and say it any other way. It's a baby blue. This is more on that cool kind of blue gray side. So it's kind of a little bit more similar to, say, Blue Glacier, little less gray than that, more blue, but kind of similar somewhat. I'd say that this is a hybrid of Blue Broom and Blue Glacier. However, Blue Broom is a new color, so you know, Blue Glacier is an older color. But yeah, this is the Picotin 18. The retail price on this is $4,040 Australian. This is in Clemence leather. Clemence obviously is a classic leather for Picotins, for Picotin locks. Even older Picotins always come in Clemence. They do have some other versions that come in like Epsom in the Tressage, and then they also have a new leather, the Maurice leather. I believe it's new because I've only recently seen it sort of pop up in Picotins. It's nice and stuffed inside with air packaging, and I'm just going to get out the lock. I'm sorry if you can hear lots of background noise. You know, this house is always madness with the kids and 2 dogs. That's just the way it is. That's life. So the Picotin lock, and then generally what you would just do, you would put this through here. And then most people, like typically how you actually lock this bag is you thread it through, all right? And then you see how you got these 2 buckles here? You're actually supposed to put that through there and then weave it down and then put the lock, hang the lock. That's how you're supposed to do it, okay? So I'm not gonna pull that taut because that is not how I plan to wear this bag. That's just too fiddly for me. I would much rather just hang the lock on the end, which I'm gonna go ahead and put it on now. So this is how I would wear the bag with a lock like that. I wouldn't bother looping it back through to make it super duper taut and tight because I want the easy access to sort of be able to open the bag like this and get my stuff in and out. So this is an open bag. I actually recommend the 7 Rue Paradise inserts, but unfortunately they do not do ones for the Pinkerton. They do it for the Birkin, the Kelly, and the Evelyne. So if you are after a Hermes bag insert, the best that you can get, I definitely recommend the 7 Rue Paradise. If you are interested, I do have a coupon code with 7 Rue Paradise. I really wish 7 Rue Paradise did an insert for the Pinkerton. I think I'm going to reach out to them and see if there's anything that they have in the pipeline perhaps or anything like that. If there is, I'll put an update on the screen. But yeah, otherwise I will see how I go. But yeah, this is my new Pinkerton 18 in blue pale, Clemence leather. My blue broom Calvi, like that blue is absolutely to die for. Not to discount this is beautiful too. I absolutely love this, but you know, you have to admit, like, how beautiful is that blue. And then my 2 Twillies. We have quite a color party going on over here. But anyways, that is it. I'm gonna wrap up this video here, so it's a little bit shorter than usual. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.